class, the first thing you need to do is you need to go to aplusstudents.com. You need to go to the website aplusstudents.com. Then you need to select math as your subject. This is a grade 3 lesson, grade 3, and the name of the topic is numbers and comparing. Numbers and comparing. Okay, I'll give you the chapter number and I'll give you the lesson number. The chapter number is 1 and lesson number is 8. Chapter number 1 and lesson number 8, and the name of the lesson is number sequence. So today we will be looking at numbers forming sequences. Number sequences. Okay, so let's go to the high pressures. Welcome to the class. Let's go to the website maths grade 3. Okay, chapter number 1 and lesson number 8. Okay, so the questions, I'll just copy the question and then we'll see. Okay, which number is missing from this sequence? So we are given a list of numbers. Okay, let's repaste this. And these numbers are given to us. Okay. A sequence of a number is a pattern of numbers, right? They would be following a pattern. They can skip by a 1, they can skip by some digits, right? So let's see what is the first number over here. Hi Semi, welcome to the class. So the first number we are given is 79, right? And the next number is 74. So what we can do is, what we can see is the numbers are decreasing, right? The first thing we can see is either they will be increasing or they would be decreasing. How much they are decreasing with? From 79, if we subtract 74, this would be 5, right? So that means each number is decreasing by 5. We confirm it for the first one. Let's confirm it for the next one. What is 74 minus 69? That means we carry 1 over here. 14 minus 9 will still be 5. That means a decrease of 5. See, we need to confirm that what is the sequence over here. The next one would be 69 minus 64. 9 minus 4 is 5. That means it's still decreasing by 5. Then what should be the next number? 64 minus a number, right? What is 64 minus 4? Sorry, 5. 64 minus 5 would be, we carry 1. 14 minus 5 is 9, and this comes out to be 59. That means the missing number over here is 59. Do we agree on this? Okay. Hi, Rebecca. Okay. So what we need to do is, we need to look at the sequence. We need to find the missing value in this given sequence. Okay. Okay. Moving ahead to the next question. The next question we have, it says, which number is missing from the given sequence? See, the first and the foremost important thing is we need to see whether this sequence is increasing or whether this sequence is decreasing, right? There are only two options. Either it would be increasing or it would be decreasing. Okay. So let's have a look for this question. Question number 2. In question number 2, we can see that The first number was 47, then 48, then 49, right? That means the numbers are increasing. Agreed? The numbers are increasing from the first value. So what we can say is 47 and 48, right? That means 47 plus 1 should be equals to 48, or 48 minus 47 should be equals to 1. That means the difference, each number is being increased by 1. That means the number after 51 should be 52. The missing number in this, yes, thank you, Lego. The missing number in the sequence should be 52. I am doing extra working over here just to prove it to you. Sometimes you can find the answer directly as well, okay? Okay, let's have a look at the next question. So the next question says, which number is missing from the given sequence? And the sequence given in question number 3 is, I'll just copy it over here. This is the sequence given to us. Let's copy down the sequence. Okay. So is this increasing or is it decreasing? That's most important for us, right? Because we would know whether the number is being decreased or whether the number is increasing. So we go from 86 to 78. That means the number has been reduced. That means this is decreasing sequence. Agreed? So once we know it's a decreasing sequence, what we can do is, what is 86? 86 minus 78. Oh, yes. See, the biggest number, the first number is 86, the second number is 78. Okay, then 70, then 62. The numbers are becoming smaller. That means it's a decreasing sequence. Okay, thank you. Like that. And that means the difference of these two would be, we cannot subtract 8 from 6, but we can carry 1. 16 minus 8 is 8. That means the difference is, each number should be decreasing by 8. 78 minus 70, right? That's 8. And so on. So what should be 54 minus 8? 54 minus 8 should be, this becomes 40, this becomes 14. This should be 6. The missing number should be 46. Okay. Moving on to the next. Which number is missing in the sequence? Over here, it's a simple addition or a subtraction of a number, okay? So the next question we have is, it says, which number is missing in the sequence? And the two terms can be used. They can say sequence or series in this series of numbers, right? So alternate words would be series or sequence, but they would mean exactly the same in question number 4. What we can see is the first number is missing, but the second number is 29 and the third number is 23. Agreed? So what we can say is the numbers are becoming smaller. That means this is a decreasing sequence, right? This is a decreasing sequence. Then let's look at the difference. What is the difference between the second and the third number? That should be 29 minus 23. It should be 6. That means 29 minus 6 would be equals to 23. Let's confirm for the next one. 23 and 17. The difference is again 6, right? Then the first number, the number over here, right, should be 6 greater. It should be 6 greater than 29. Okay. Oh, thank you so much. Yes, 35 is the correct answer. Thank you. Okay. That means 29 and the number before 29 was 6 greater. 9 plus 6 is 15. We carry a 1. That comes out to be 35. That means the first number of the sequence is 35. Okay. Thank you. Moving ahead. What we say is, the next question says, which number is missing from the given sequence? In this next question, we are missing a number in between the sequence. Okay, it's not the first number, it's not the last number, but a number is in the middle of a sequence. So these numbers are given to us. Okay, let's see what is missing from this given sequence. If the first number was 6, the second number was 11, and 16. What we can say is this is a increasing sequence. The numbers are increasing, okay? So what is the first number? Thank you, Lekawal. Thank you so much. Yes, the answer is correct. See, in this case, 6 would add a number to make it 11. That would be 5. 11 plus 16, that is 5. Okay. Yes, 21 is the answer. Thank you so much, Lig Boy. Then the next one should be 16 plus this to give this answer. What is 16 plus 5? That is 21. That means the missing number in this sequence was 21. Thank you. Okay, moving ahead, let's see which number is missing from the given sequence in question number 6. Okay, let's have a look. Okay. If we have this, and we have this sequence. Which number is missing from the following sequence? Let's have a look. This would be question number 6. We can say this is again a decreasing, right? Rebecca, what should be the answer for this sequence? Is it increasing or is it decreasing? The numbers from the first value are getting smaller, right? That means this is a decreasing sequence or a series, right? That means from the first number, we subtract a number. What is 88 minus 80? It should be 8. That means that we subtract 8. For the next one, what should we do? We should again subtract 8, right? So 80 minus 8 should be 72. Do we agree? Yes, thank you, Rebecca. This is a decreasing sequence in which each number has been reduced by 8. Yes, thank you, Legapod. Okay, thank you. Moving ahead, Having a look at, yes, thank you. The next question we have is, which number is missing from the given sequence? In this given sequence, the first number is missing for us. We're missing the first number, and let's say we are missing, let's make two variables in this sequence, okay? We can say the first number is missing for us. This is question number 7. Let's suppose if this value is missing for us, and let's suppose the last value is missing for us, okay? There are two missing values in this given question. The first value is missing, the last value is missing. So how we can look at this? What we can say is the number that was given to us was 66. It becomes 56, 46, 36, right? That means this is a decreasing sequence, right? In this decreasing sequence, what is the difference between these two numbers? 66 minus 56 should be equals to 10. That means each number is reduced by 10. So what should be the answer for this? 26 minus 10 would be 16. The last number should be 16. Hi Baruch, welcome. What about the first value? The first value should be 16 greater than 66. That means 66, sorry, 10 greater than 66. 66 plus 10 would be 76. So what we can say in this sequence is, this would be 76. There can be more than, okay, there can be more than one missing number. Okay. Okay, let's have a look at another question. Becca. Okay. Help me out with this next question, please. I'm just copying the question on the screen. Okay, the question number 8 says, find the missing. This is our question number 8. And it says, find the missing number from the given sequence. And the given sequence is this. So what should be the missing number for this question number 8? It is, we can see 72 then 66. 72 is greater than 66, right? Or 60 or 54 and 48. That means the numbers are decreasing. Okay. So what can we say over here? 72 minus something would be 66. So if we want to take out the difference, we can subtract over here. This becomes 6. 12 minus 6 is 6. That means 72 minus 6 would be 66. Let's check for the next one. 66 minus 60 should also be equals to 6. That means the difference is a constant difference. That is a difference of 6. Then the first number should be 6 greater than 72, right? So we can say 72 plus 6 would be 78. That means the first number of the sequence was missing and it comes out to be 78. Thank you. That is 78 is the correct answer. Okay. For now, we are looking at a sequence which has a constant, right? constant difference, or either they're being added with the same number or being subtracted with the same number. But later on, as you move on with the topic and we change the difficulty level, there can be sequences formed with different values. Okay, so this is a very technical topic in which a lot of possibilities are there. Okay, so for question number 9, it says if the first number in the sequence is missing, what we can say is the first is missing, then it is 17, then it is 24, 31, and 38, right? That means it is a increasing sequence. It is an increasing because the numbers are increasing in value. What should we add in 17 to make it 24? That means if we want to see what we need to add, simply 24 minus 17, carry 1, 14 minus 7 is 7, and 1 minus 1 was 0. That means 17 plus 7 will give us 24. Okay, 24 plus 7 should be 31. 24 plus 7 should be 4 plus 7 is 11. We carry a 1, that should be 31. Okay, then the first number should be 7 less. 17 minus 7 is 10. That means the first number should be 10. If we were going towards the right side and we were adding 7, when we move towards the left side, we subtract a 7. We subtract the same number. Okay? Okay, let's have a look at another. So what we can say in the next question is, which number is missing in the given sequence? 1 minute, let me copy this. Okay, for the next question, it says, question number 10. They are asking us which number is missing in this given sequence. Is it an increasing or is it decreasing? Semi, is it an increasing or is it a decreasing sequence? See, increasing or decreasing is not important for us. What we are trying to see is, for ourselves, we are trying to find that information so that it's easier for us to understand whether we need to add or we need to subtract. Okay. So if 15, then 18, then 21, then 24, that means from 15 the numbers have increased. So we can say this sequence is an increasing sequence, right? So we need to add 15 plus something to get, that means 18 minus 15 should give the difference. That means plus 3. For the next one, this should be plus 3. 21 plus 4 should be plus 3, right? Same way, 27 plus 3 would give us the missing number, that would be 30. Thank you, Baroque. Thank you, Aiken. Thank you, Ligabon. Okay, that means the correct answer was 30. Okay, yes, it's counting up by threes. Thank you. Okay. Thank you, Rebecca. Yes, we can say that it's counting up by threes. Okay. So the next one is, which number is missing from this given sequence? Okay, question number 11 states this information. So in question number 11, it says it's 63, 64, 65. That means it's decreasing because the numbers are decreasing, and it's quite simple because each number is decreasing by 1, right? That means these numbers are given as no, right? Focus, Rebecca. Okay, 63. Yes, thank you. Thank you, Semi. We can also say that these numbers are consecutive numbers because each number differs by 1, right? So what we can confirm over here, this is plus 1. No, this is increasing. How can it be decreasing? Okay, sorry. This is an increasing sequence. My bad. Increasing. Okay, apology. This would be plus 1. This is again plus 1. Then we plus 1 onto this. Add difference by 1, right? 65 plus 1 would be 66. Simple as that. Okay, 66 is your answer. Moving ahead for the next question. So the next question says, which number is missing from the given sequence? Question number 12. And question number 12 says this. The numbers given are 1, 5, 9, 13, and 17 in this given sequence. We need to find the missing number. What we can say is this is a increasing sequence, right? Because okay, next question. We are done with the sequence till 66, right? So the next question says which number is missing in from this given sequence? This is increasing again. But are these numbers, can I say that these numbers are consecutive numbers in question number 12? Can we say that the numbers in question number 12 are consecutive numbers? Question number 11 had consecutive numbers, right? But can I say that question number 12 has consecutive numbers? Would that be possible? That is not possible. Why? Because the numbers do not have a difference of 1. When the numbers have a difference of 1, then they are consecutive numbers, right? So in this case, can we find the difference? That would be, they would have a difference over here. That means 5 minus 1 was 4. That means plus 4, right? Then 5 plus 4 should be equals to 9. We agree on that. And so on. Plus 4, right? Then 17 should be plus 4 as well. 17 plus 4 would be, here we found the difference. Okay, and we are applying the same difference to each number. 17 plus 4 should be equals to 21. So we can say that the missing number over here was 21. Okay. Okay. Moving ahead to the next question. The next question says, which number is missing from this given sequence? And the given sequence is, let me just copy it for you. So the given sequence for the next question is this. These are the numbers in the given sequence. Let's see which value was missing. This is like question number 13. Okay. So the first number is given as 28, then 26, 24, 22, and so on, right? This is a decreasing. But can we say that? Can we find the difference? So what is the difference? Yes, thank you. Thank you, Lego Boy. 20 is the correct answer. But let's look at something over here. See, in question number 11, I said this was a consecutive numbers, right? Let's see what consecutive numbers do we have over here. So can we say 28 minus 26? The difference was 2, right? That means plus 2. It should be plus 2, plus 2, and this should be plus 2 as well. So we know that 22 plus 2 would be, sorry, apologies. This is decreasing, my bad. Minus 2, sorry. Decreasing by minus 2. And that means 22 minus 2 would be 20, right? So we should have a 20 over here. But what we can say about the sequence is, thank you, Baroque, boy, this would be 20, right? It's a decreasing sequence. What can we say about this is, see, can we use the something related to consecutive terms over here? We can see that all of these terms are even numbers, right? So can we say these numbers are consecutive even numbers? That means those are even numbers next to each other. Because 28 after 20 is 27, but 27 is not there. 28, 26, 24, 22, 20, 18, and 16. We can say these are consecutive even numbers. So whenever we have consecutive numbers would differ by 1, right? Consecutive numbers. Consecutive even or odd numbers would always differ by 2. Okay, any sequence which has a difference of 2 would be either consecutive even or consecutive odd. Okay. Okay. Looking at the next question. So the next question says, which number is missing from the given sequence? And in the given sequence, the numbers that have been given to us are these. It says okay. So help me out with this. For question number 14, it says the first number given is 2, then 7. That means it is an increasing because the numbers are increasing, but they don't differ by 1, they don't differ by 2. That means, can we find the difference? 7 minus 2, that should mean 5 is the difference. That means 2 plus 5 would be 7. 7 plus 5 would be 12. And 12 plus 5 should be 12 plus 5 should be 17. That means the missing number from this sequence is 17. Thank you, Baruch. Right? So we can find the missing value in the sequence, okay? Let's do another question, then we'll go to the test. Okay. So the next question says, just a moment, please. Let me copy this first. Okay. For the next question, it says, what is the missing number in this given sequence? Sorry. So it says, okay, this is our question number 15. And question number 15 says, which number is missing from this given sequence? Okay. So the first number in this sequence is missing for us. Let's have a look. The first thing first, is it an increasing or is it a decreasing sequence? The given value to us is 50, then 43, right? That means the numbers are becoming smaller. That means this is a decreasing series of numbers in which, what is the difference of these two numbers? 50 minus 43 was 7. That means we are subtracting a 7 over here. Let's confirm if the difference is still 7. What is 43 minus 36? It's still 7, right? That means each number from its next number is reduced by, it has a difference of 7, right? That means if on the right side we were decreasing by 7, when we go to the left side we will increase by 7. That means because 50 and the number prior to 50 should have a difference of 7, that this number should be 57. Agreed? Okay. Moving ahead to the test, let's do some questions from the test. Let's see what the first question is given to us. Okay, the question number 1 says, what are the missing, which number is missing in the given sequence? Just a moment, I'll just copy and paste this. Okay, so I'll give the heading for the test. And this is the first question that is given to us. This is question number 1 from the test. And these are the numbers in the sequence. So let's try to find what should be the answer. Option A, B, or C. Oh, very nice, Baruch. Thank you. But let others do it as well, right? Let's give them a few seconds to do it. We can see that 6 plus a number would be 5, because Baruch has already given the answer, right? Yes, May, thank you. That means this should be plus 5. Thank you, both of you. Thank you, Lega boy, for the answer. Okay. Okay. The answer was 21. Moving ahead to the next question, it says, which number is missing from the given sequence? Just a moment, please. For question number 2, when I copy this, it says this, given information. And this is the given sequence that we have. Question number 2. So what can be the answer for question number 2? Would it be option number A, B, or C? Yes, Aiken, that's correct answer. But we move on to the next question, question number 2. The question number 2 says the first number given was 19. It's an increasing then, because after 19 it becomes 29, then 39, 49, 59. Yes. Thank you, Semi. That would be 79, because each number would have a difference of 10, right? Thank you. Yes, option C is the correct answer. That is 79. For question number 3, it says, which is the missing number in the given sequence? Let me just post it over here. If this is our question number 3, and these were the options given to us, and this is the sequence given to us. So which option should be correct? A, B, and C? Would A, B, or C? Rebecca, what should be the answer? Yes, thank you. 79 is the correct answer for question number 2. For question number 3, it says the first number is missing. Then we have 17, 24, 31, and 38, right? So it is an increasing sequence. To find the difference between 17 and 24, can we subtract 17 from 24? Yes, Rebecca, I'm asking you. Can we subtract 24 minus 17? It would be 24 minus 17 should be 7, right? That means each number is being increased by 7, right? This should also be 7. So when we are adding, when we are moving towards the right side, if we are adding 7, then if we move towards the left side, we should subtract a 7, right? Yes. Thank you, Semi. And 10 is the correct answer. That is option B. Thank you for your answer. Okay, that's correct. Okay, let's move ahead to the next question. Question number, yes, May. Option number B is the correct answer. If we look at the next question says which number is missing from the sequence, and the numbers, yes, they're not consecutive. Okay, these are the options given to us, and these are the numbers given to us. For question number 4, sorry, I just clicked on the screen by mistake. This is our question number 4. So we have these options, option A, option B, and option C. Okay, Baroque, let's do this. Baroque, what is the answer for this question number 4? It is an increasing sequence, right? Because 21, 28, 35, 42, and 49. How much are they being increased by? Each number is increasing by. Thank you, May. That's correct. That is 14. Why? Because every number was increasing by 7, right? So over here, the number would decrease by 7, and that becomes 14. Agreed? So thank you so much. Yes, May. Yes, Akin. That is option number C. That is 14. Okay. So please do complete the remaining questions for your practice. Okay. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.